You're in trouble now. Alright, you're starting to leave me almost no choice. Put it down now. No, put it down right now. This will be your final warning before...
Yada.
You get time you'll do that beat down, huh? Huh? I'm coming! Moron. So idiotic. Get a life. You've angered me a lot. And now you must be punished by the law. A lot. Come with me right now. Get here. Come here right now. Ah! I'm coming! Oh my god. Prepare for my superpower. Yeah. Yeah. Are you serious? Do you know how stupid that was? And how stupid you now look because you've done that? Why would you do that? Waste of an idea. That was terrible. That was disastrous. Oh my god, you shouldn't have said... It's a bad idea. It's a bad idea. It's not good. Stop doing that, honestly. Immediately, you need to stop doing that. Oh, you hit me. Oh, you've really hurt me. Oh my god, you've really hurt me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, you've really hurt me. You've really... Wait, hang on a minute. Just wait. No, seriously, just hold on. Oh, I'm really tired. I don't know if I can do this. I am seriously so tired. I didn't sleep well last night. I'm not ready for this. Can we leave it here? Can we just try it another day instead? Yeah.